So guys, guess what? This is how I'm making my 5 million coins every day on this hamster game and on this Hamster Kombat. And you don't need to be tapping one coin every day. This is the tactics to get like 5 million every day. In 4 days, how much it is? 20 million. So I would like you to watch this video and share it to your friends. So alright guys, welcome back again to the page. Please share this video, okay? Now I want to teach you guys on how to make your daily combo on Hamster Kombat. So you can be making 5 million coins every day by playing this special task, okay? So how to mine 5 million coins every day? Once you open the game, you click on mine, okay? Once you click there, you can see 5 million plus. I mean, your daily combos is 5 million. Then you check on the 3 buttons there and find out the 3 tasks they are asking you to bring. I mean, the 3 buttons they need from you, okay? So in today's tasks, you are asked to subscribe on their YouTube channel and also click on other links, which the options are below, okay? Then one thing I would like you to do is to join all the groups that you can be getting updates from this app. We get, because I get my update from one group which they will tell you in today's task we were asked to join their YouTube channel, we were asked to select this option, this Telegram mass adoption, we are asked to do another one. So after doing it, as you can see, Hamster Daily Show, I've selected it. App Center Listen, I've selected it. Then the next one is to follow them on YouTube. Once I click there and join them on the YouTube, the tags will be complete, okay? It will be completed. Then the next thing is to claim my 5 million. So as you are moving, I have selected on BTC Pays, selected on the other one, see BTC Pays, and selected on Apple Apps Centers, okay? I have to go ahead. Anywhere you click go ahead. App Center Listening. So remaining, okay, remaining the YouTube on. I have clicked on the YouTube. Then what's the next thing? Subscribe to their YouTube channel, okay? Once you do that, you go back to the Telegram and claim your 5 million, take the price. So once you do that, go back and check your price, go back and check your main balance. Before I had 5 million, but now it's 10 point something million. So I would like you to like this video, share this video to your friends. If there is any problem or any misunderstanding, you can comment below on the comment section. And you have to know that every day has its own assignment, its own task. Today's own was to follow their YouTube and the remaining 2 items, okay? Tomorrow's zone is going to be different from today's zone. So my advice is for you to join all their platforms so that you can get update from these people. Thank you.